Hi, I'm Logan. I'm the founder and CEO of Datalogz. So most organizations are using many business intelligence and analytics tools. They typically have hundreds or even thousands of users creating different reports, dashboards through these BI tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Qlik. But as these environments grow, typically a handful of these reports and dashboards are great at adding a lot of value, but then tons have compliance risks, duplication, built on bad data, and a lot of them are going absolutely unused. And this leads to a problem we like to call BI or analytics sprawl. But the result is impacting your performance on how people actually can consume data, security risk, what if salary information or PII is uploading to a BI environment, your cost, almost 60% of assets that are refreshing are going completely unused, and you're paying for this. And on top of this, there's often no governance. So where we fit in at Datalogz is sitting on top of the data consumption layer, on top of tools like Qlik, Power BI, and Tableau. We index all the metadata and logs from these different systems to automatically identify where there's room for optimization, reduction of security risk, including more governance, and identifying performance, usage, and cost optimization. This is an example from one of our Fortune 100 clients, but where we're able to identify nearly $4.7 million of savings just by plugging into BI tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Qlik. By reducing the amount of refreshes and compute, we're able to help these companies make better decisions, reduce costs, and drive better output. Now let me show you a quick demo. Datalogz connects to almost any popular BI system. In just a few clicks, we ingest all of your metadata from activity logs, compute, capacity, services, and more. We instantly start flagging different issues that may exist in your BI environment, like wasted licenses, user without SAML, stale data sources, uncertified data sources, and so many more things. We generate insights around how the environment's being used, and all this drives better cost, governance, and efficiency at the BI layer.
Thanks for listening, and we hope you book a demo for Datalogz, the control tower product for BI.